Hey there, homeowners. Imagine a perfectly working furnace, a leak-free bathroom, and a water heater that never lets you down. Sounds ideal, right? But when things do go wrong, who do you call? You need a plumbing service you can trust. At KC's Plumbing and Heating, we offer top-notch plumbing services from simple repairs to complex installations. With years of experience serving the Tri-Cities community, we've earned a reputation for reliability, skill, and a genuine commitment to customer satisfaction. Whether it's a burst pipe, a clogged drain, or a new renovation project, our licensed professionals are ready to handle it. No mess, no hassle, just results you can count on, and a great work warranty to back it up. So, why wait for a plumbing issue to escalate? Get ahead of things with a service that's prompt, professional, and always puts your needs first. Visit kceplum.ca today to learn more or book a service call. KC's Plumbing and Heating, your trusted plumbing experts in Coquitlam, BC.